I know there's a lot of mixed feelings out there about the adaptive cruise control feature. For example, my wife, she loves it. She uses it all the time. You can set the distance between you and the car in front of you. Once it finds a car in range, it will slow you down to maintain that distance. Once the car gets out of range, you resume back to your set cruise control speed. So it helps her out, makes her comfortable. For me, on the other hand, I don't like it because the car does all the driving for me. I fall asleep at the wheel. That can be dangerous if we're driving at night because it's not fun. I'll fall asleep. So anyways, let's get back on track. Is there a way you can turn that off? And then is there going to be visual cues to know the difference between adaptive cruise control and standard cruise? The answer is yes. Let's show you. Right over here, we got some buttons. This one's going to be for your cruise control, for your adaptive cruise. So if there's nothing up there right now, then we select the button. You'll see this option right there for your adaptive cruise. It has a speedometer with an arrow and a car in front of you. Okay. Now when you select that button and this icon comes right up, it's not adaptive cruise. It's your standard cruise control. Now to switch between those two, it's going to be easy. You come right over here. Normally you tap this button right here and it selects the distance between you and the car in front of you. But if you accidentally hold this down too long, or you purposely do it, it switches between standard cruise and adaptive cruise. So there we go. You guys are set for those long journey drives.